How can I access CoughDrop's Core Communication Workshop? CoughDrop manages a free Core Communication Workshop website to support AAC users and supporters looking to learn and use core vocabulary. To reach the workshop, use your web browser to search for Core Communication Workshop or go to coreworkshop.org. Once on this site, you can browse supports for listed core vocabulary words. Select a word from the list and choose what you would like to do. You can download and print an activity packet which includes graphics, activities, and modeling ideas. You can find leveled suggestions for modeling the chosen word for a communicator, or you can access additional resources which include learning projects, books, send-homes, and even videos to support learning of this core word. You can also browse focus sets for words within a popular book or story, or words relating to a specific activity. Open these focus sets within CoughDrop to feature these focused words in the communication set. Learn more about that option in our support article on focus sets. CoughDrop also has an available library of books which are designed to support core word learning. You can browse the library and quickly see the words featured in each book. Just tap the title to read the book or have CoughDrop read the book aloud for you. If you sign in with your CoughDrop account, the Core Communication Workshop will keep track of your site activity and allow you to favorite activities, books, and more. If you have materials to add to any core workshop word, we invite you to share them so that everyone in the AAC community can benefit from them. You can also design and submit your own online books using the tool in the Books tab when you are logged in. CoughDrop's free Core Communication Workshop is a great resource to help AAC supporters, or really anyone looking to increase core word usage and understanding.